Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, foodies. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of silken tofu. This unique type of tofu has an incredibly smooth, creamy texture, almost like a custard. It's truly different from the firmer blocks you might be used to, making it perfect for delicate dishes. You'll find it adds a wonderful richness and a lovely mouthfeel without ever feeling heavy, and it's surprisingly versatile. Preparing silken tofu is actually quite simple, but it does require a very gentle touch. The key here is, do not press it. Unlike firmer tofu, silken tofu is meant to retain all its delicate moisture. Just open the package, very carefully drain off any excess liquid, and then gently slide it out. Remember, it's quite delicate, so handle it softly as you prepare your dish. One of the simplest and most delicious ways to enjoy silken tofu is in a refreshing cold dish. Imagine just a few minutes of prep for a delightful snack. Take your gently prepared tofu, slice it or spoon it onto a plate, then drizzle it generously with a simple sauce. A classic combination is light soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, and some finely chopped green onions. It's incredibly satisfying and so easy to make. Beyond cold preparations, silken tofu shines in hot dishes too, adding a velvety richness without dairy. Think of it in miso soup, where it adds a soft, comforting texture. You can also blend it into smoothies for extra creaminess or use it as a base for vegan sauces. Just remember, when adding it to hot dishes, stir it in gently during the last few minutes of cooking. This helps preserve that wonderful, delicate consistency. If you find yourself with leftover silken tofu, no worries, it stores quite easily. Just place any unused portion in an airtight container, cover it completely with fresh water, and pop it into the refrigerator. Remember to change the water daily, and it should stay fresh for 2 or 3 more days. Silken tofu truly is a versatile ingredient, so don't hesitate to get creative in your kitchen and try it in new ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.